If you can hear me, make sure you drop a one. Drop a one to make sure that you can hear me. If you can hear. Top of the top, let's get it. I got something for y'all at the end. Uh, so make sure to stick around to the end. What's up? What's up, fam? What's up? What's up? Drop a one as y'all coming in. Drop that one. Let's go. Got 2 more minutes. So I started a little late. I had some difficulties with my streaming. I'm trying to get used to this thing, but it's all good. We here now. It's all good. Dropping one, dropping one. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're gonna look at our so this how we're gonna do it tonight, all right? So this is on YouTube. So this is being recorded. So once we done it, it upload to YouTube. So if you're not here and you miss it, then hey, you miss it, right? But for those that are here and stick around to the end, um, I got something for y'all, okay? Just because y'all here and y'all here to learn. Y'all here to learn on the Sunday, on a Super Bowl Sunday. So since y'all here to learn, y'all took y'all time out today. I got something for y'all, man. All right, I got something for y'all. So enough talking. Let's hop into it. We're gonna hop into Spy. We're gonna look at SPX. We're gonna look at Uber. I mean not Uber. Oh, sorry, Lyft. Crocs. And we'll see. We'll see what's up. All right. So first things first. Let's hop into Spy. All right. Let me just clear my charts. All right. So I got Spy on the daily. Right now we making all-time highs. Y'all see that, right? Y'all see we make all-time highs. We broke 500. So it's not really too much to say for a Spy on the upside because we're making all-time highs, right? So I will give y'all some levels that we can retrace to for this week. So we're gonna go to the 4-hour chart, see if we can find any respected areas. And look like a nice one right here. So I'm gonna say right here at 499.60, and then we can lose that. Then I'll see a retrace back down to we got 497. All right, so then 493. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. So I literally just set my charts up fresh for y'all, just a fresh, clean chart. So we're gonna start raw dog, fresh with y'all. Make sure y'all, anyone that's coming in, drop a one, drop a one. I got something for y'all towards the end, so make sure to stick around. All right. But yeah, so I broke it down to the 1 hour chart just to see, the more respected area. We got this little gap right here that was filled, right? It was filled, but it still was a gap. So I'm gonna just leave that there right there. Right. And of course we had previous highs. So above previous highs. So instead of me do a little rectangle zone from here to here like that. So this is what I have for Spy. Not like I said, not really too much for Spy because we make all time high. So really calls above here. And depending on what But tomorrow morning brings, I like calls above previous highs right here. So tomorrow morning, if say pre-market, we made a new high, right? So then we'll draw a line at that level, so above that new high, right? But as of now, know how it is above this high for calls, right? If we just straight push up and continue momentum without retracing, because this could have been a retrace right here. That could have been a retrace that it needed to off that 499, and we just see some of the good momentum in the first, open of markets, right? So above previous highs for that, and then we can lose below this zone, this little rectangle zone for this gap was. I like a bigger retracement down to this 497 to 493. But besides that, it's just up right now. Okay, we up. So I'm liking calls above previous highs. Now, like I said, not really too much I can say when a stock just making all-time highs. Just try to catch the momentum, ride the momentum. You can either do that by playing the breakouts at previous highs, or you can wait for the retrace, right? So think about it right here. Let's go back a little bit. All right, when SPY made all-time highs right here, right? 495. Next time we broke 495, you could have played a breakout right here. Calls, boom, right? Made all-time highs here. Then took like a day or two. Then once you broke it, which was Friday, calls, right? Boom. So like that's what I mean by you can play the breakout by breaking that playing that previous highs. Right, especially all-time highs. So that's why for SPY, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. Same for SPX, which is go over real quick. Yeah, same for SPX right here. I have see lose this level right here, and this is the 15. 15 is still good just to look at. I like right here. Let's go to the 1 hour and see. We want to move it up just a little bit more, like right there. Boom, 5020. Lose that. We can get a bigger trace. Then look like it created another baseline right here at 4015. All right, lose that 15 level. Then we can get a bigger drop to fill that gap. Which I don't think we filled that gap on Friday. Because whoever was on live with me on Friday, we caught calls at the bottom on SPY and SPX. We caught the bottom of that. And we seen that this made a gap right here. And it never filled that right there on Friday. I remember that gap. Oh yeah, we definitely gonna fall and fill that gap. So we actually gonna draw that to a rectangle zone. Excuse me. My fault, y'all. Yo, every time I be like, I sneeze or something, I'll be recording a video. I'll be like, I want to edit out, man. But I'm human, man. I'm human just like y'all. We all sneeze, we all cough. Ain't nothing. We human, all right? But below this 4015 level, right? 4015, we lose below 4015, we can get a bigger retrace to 5,000, right? And it's crazy that we even at 5,000, it's by at 500, right? But we can get a bigger trace to 5,000, and we do lose for 5,000. Then we got 47, 48 next, right here, 48. And then we got 4974. Then we'll come back to our old levels that, it's like stairs that took us to come back up this level. But as long as we can hold above this 5015, any drop that we get calls. So we can hold above 5015. That's what I'll have for SPX. Okay. Make sure y'all drop a 1 in the comments. If y'all just now coming in, drop a 1. Make sure y'all can hear me. Make sure y'all stick around to the rent. And got something for y'all. Let's get it, man. All right, we got SPY out the way. Got SPX. We want to talk about Lyft real quick, and we're going to talk about Crocs. All right. So Lyft I already did look at, and I didn't realize it was a $13 stock. I didn't. I was like, damn, like this is it's a $13 stock, but this thing has a lot of potential if we can hold, right? And when I go to the weekly chart, just look at this, right? Oh, you can't even see it. You can't even see it. All right, let's go to the daily. You can't see it on the week. Let's go to the daily. Look at this big ass gap. I'm like, all right, it's a small stock, but this thing got potential in it. Look at this gap at 30. That's a gap at 30 right here. That's a big gap. Then we got another gap right here at 36 that was never filled. right here at 36 that was never filled. Wait, was that filled? Hold on. I'm I might be I might have turned blind. Let's see. Let's see. Is that the same exact sense? We gotta zoom in. No, that's not the same sense. 3703 is not the same as 3692. No, that's not the same. I know how to count. That's not the same. So yep, we got another get right there. 36. I mean 37. Sorry. Look at me. Talking about I can count then mess up. But we have another get right there, 37, and I believe we had another one. Oh, where was it? Where was it? Or maybe that was it. I'm just reaching at this point. I'm just reaching for a gap. Just search trying. All right, yeah. So this stock got a lot of potential, y'all. All right, it has a lot of potential. I'm gonna show you exactly what I like on it, what I like on Lyft. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Make sure y'all drop on one in the chat, man. We live. Let's go. All right. So look at this Lyft weekly, right? And we just going to like look at it. Just look how it's been straight dropping, and we just been holding up since March 2023, right? We've been like this and like this, like a accumulation phase. Like we about to get ready for a push, right? So y'all can see this little accumulation phase that we're about to get ready for a push, and we even go to the 1 month. You can just see how we just been holding. It's like we building up momentum to ready to break out, right? Let's go back to the weekly. So, and look what we have here. And here's one thing that I like, right? Watch this. So we've been holding for a minute since March of 2023, and we're in February, right? So look at this nice green candle. Hold on. All right. Look at this nice green candle right here. And right here. You see this green explosive candle? And then we got another green explosive candle right here. And then we drop from this and retest, right? Now let's go to the let's see, 3 month, right? 3 month. 3 month chart, right? So if you watch my average down video on YouTube, my how to find an average candlestick, right? We're basically gonna take that method, what I showed y'all, right? That method right there. We're gonna we see nice green explosive candles on a smaller time frames like the weekly, the daily. We see it, right? So since we see that, we're going to try to go to a bigger time frame to see if we can get a bigger candle. Like is that all one candle? And try to get the 50% of that. So yes, we found it right here. This 3 month candle. To take the low, $8.85. Take the high. Do what you gotta do. Get your 50%. And once you get your 50%, it's right here at $12.46. So this 3 month low right here is literally 50% of this run out, right? So we go down to the daily or the weekly, whatever. This low is 50%, and we're holding 50%. And that 3 month low is at $8.85 or 80 right here. That's that low. So from this low to this high, 50% is right here at 1241. Right? So we're holding 50%. So that's one thing that I see. We got a lot of gaps to the upside. And my thing is that as long as we hold about $12.40, I like calls, which we're holding. We've been holding. Okay. And my first take profit is, of course, previous high 16, right? You can't forget that. But once we break out of 16, I have 1798. And then I have 2043. And then we hold above 20. Then I have the first gap fill from the gap. Okay. Which is right here. We'll just draw the rectangle from, and the start of it is right here at 22. Okay. But I'm definitely liking this. It's been in a still stage for a while since last year in March. We literally just been accumulating the momentum, and then we getting that breakout right here. Right. We already filled. Wait, did we fill this gap right here? 15. Let's see. I don't know how I ain't see this gap right here. I had to see this gap and just forgot about it. But I don't know how I ain't see that gap. It's all good. Yeah, that's previous highs right here. Yep. Yeah. So we came to it right there. Right? And how did we react? Once we filled this gap right here, we came to it, we dropped, we made a higher low, and we holding 50%. So it looks like we just building momentum up to just to break through this gap level to come towards the second gap level up here. So I'm liking this for calls. Definitely watch out for this 1241 level, which is the key level. This 1241, this 50% of this high and low. All right. So that's what I had for Lyft. As long as we hold this 12, I like calls. All right. TP 18, TP 220. So even if you get, let's say, August or December expiration, so you can catch a full ride, this thing look good to go. All right. And I'm not gonna lie, it's either this or the next stop we about to look at, Crocs. But one of them kind of look like an inverted head and shoulders. Let me see if it's this one. We got the head right here. Hold on, let's get the brush. Boom. Got the head. Got the right. And then we pushing out of that, right? So we push out of that. Did we hit the 100% move? Not yet. Remember, 100% move is whatever that made like it's how did that candle or how did this pattern start, right? So this is the last peak from it, like it's making his left little shoulder and then the head, right? So since this is the drop to make the left shoulder, this is the 100% move. So no, we did not hit the 100% move, but we did come up and retrace, and then we're holding 50% of this drop. So we just build up momentum, right, to push up to the next level. At least that's how I see it. All right, so that's what I have for Lyft. Let's go to Crocs. Make sure I drop a one in the chat. Let's go. Let's get it. Everyone hit that thumbs up. Let's get it. We need 23 likes in here. Let's get it. And wait till y'all stick around to the end, man. If you are a newbie and you stick around to the end, you're gonna have to rewatch this a couple of times when you get there. But if you are someone that's like, all right, you familiar with trading, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to show y'all something. I'm gonna show y'all something. All right. But let's go to Crocs. So Crocs, look at this. So look how we making this higher low right here in a bigger time frame, right? Look at this. And this is the weekly. Boom, boom, right? Along with the little ones, along with the little higher lows right here. So this low, this thing that we found support, we made support at 76 or 75. And we hold above, this low and this low, right? Then we got the same thing happening again with this low, higher low, right? And here's why I think this thing is about to run. All right. And I think we can run for the gap. But I'm showing you, I'm exactly showing y'all. We got a higher low right here. This low, staying above this low, right? And then when we did that, did we push to make a higher high? No, we did not. We did not push to make a higher high. We did not make a higher high right here. Right? We got rejected right here. Right? We did not push to make a higher high. Higher high would be above this 1010 level, right? So this happens a lot. This happens a lot. And like this happens a lot. So this is something you have to watch out for. Okay. So even though we made a higher low and did not make a higher high, but we made a lower high, right? Stay below previous low, but we didn't come down, make a lower low off that lower high, right? We still made a higher low. So when we got the next drop, we still respecting the 100% move. So we still making higher lows, still holding up the 100% move, which is what? Down here at 90, 95, 96, whatever. I said 90, my fault. At 76, right here at 76, 75. So since we still holding the 100% move, every higher low we get just build up momentum, right? So I think we're about to get this push out and actually break this high right here at I believe it's 110. or let's see, 111. That's what it says. Let's see. Let's go to the candle high. 110.90. 110.90, right? So I think we're about to break out of 110.90 and come up and either fill this gap or come higher. And like we just we about to blow right through this gap and come right towards that second gap. Okay, so that's the first gap right here from 111 to 118, right? And then we have another gap right here at 136 to 144. I'm not gonna lie, Crocs is a great company. Like, you think about it, like they Crocs is like the future, right? It's the because they gear towards kids and like even adults love Crocs, you know what I'm saying? But they more geared towards kids and teenagers and stuff. Like, and I've been seeing a lot of Crocs come out. Like, they got remember the movie Cars? They got like Mater Crocs, and they be coming out with so many different collabs. Like, I don't see them slowing down at all. Like, I don't see Crocs slowing down at all. This is a great company. They it's a new company too. As that, I remember when they first came out, and everyone when they first came out, man, the whole world had Crocs. Like, literally, man. I'm over here in PA. It was like snowing like a couple weeks ago. Man, these kids got off the school bus wearing Crocs. I'm like, yo, I'm wearing Crocs off the school bus in the snow. So like, you know, it's the future generation, and like think about it when like if you older now, when you was younger, right? No, we probably didn't have Crocs. We probably had like slippers or slides, right? And when we get older, we just order some slippers or some slides or some. All right, we gonna order the Yeezy slides. We still ordering slides. We still ordering slides when we did as a kid. I used to when I was younger. I used to buy Puma slides all the time. That was my shit. Puma slides, some Nike slides. Got older, I got some Yeezy slides. I'm still buying slides. These kids younger, they buying Crocs. When they get older and they all get situated, go to college or get a house and get situated, they gonna want some comfy shoes. What they gonna do? Oh, they gonna order Crocs because it's already planted in them because that's all they've been wearing as a kid because that's what they geared to. So literally, they're the future. And that's how you gotta look at it. But I definitely like this stock. It's a lot of potential in this stock. It's a lot of potential in this stock right here. Okay. Uh, all time highs is back over here at 185. Make sure y'all drop a one if you can hear me for real. We human. Let's go. Talk to me. What's some stocks you want me to look at below? Who's here? I'll drop some stocks you want me to look at below. Drop some stocks. What y'all want me to look at? But yeah, that's what I like for Crocs. I like calls on Crocs. I like calls on Crocs. All right, and I'm not telling anyone to buy. I'm not telling anyone to sell. I like calls on Crocs. Yes, I do. All right, next stock is Airbnb. Make sure y'all drop some comments. A, B, and B. All right, look like we got let's see. Mm, let me clear my charts. We're gonna start fresh, raw doggy dog. Let's go to the 1 month. Let's see something real quick. Let's see if we can see something real quick. We're gonna go here with it. Go to text. Monthly. Monthly. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it red. Oops, we're gonna make it red. Go to settings, put the monthly on the bottom. That's fucked up. I put the I put the monthly red. Females get their monthly. All right. All right. So we got high lows, right? Boom, higher low, higher high. And this is exactly what I mean. Exactly what I mean. What I just tell y'all on that freaking what was that Crocs? I said this happened a lot of times to trap people, yo. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Right? All right, we're gonna start over real quick. High, or we got this low, we got this higher high, we got this higher low, we got this higher high, we got this higher low, right? This higher low right here. And then we make a higher high. No. People about to think, oh, reversal, we about to fall crazy. Because we stayed above previous highs and we fill this gap and stay below this gap. Right? Boom. Stay below. What we do? Fall. Now, did we lose 100% move? What's 100% move? 100% move is the move that started this trend right here. This is what started the higher high, highest lows trend. So 81. No, it did not lose 100% move. So it's still good to go. Right? And it did. Let's see. This is 104. Right? It didn't even lose. It didn't even lose the previous higher low right here at 104. It looked like it did though. I'm tripping. But it didn't even lose their previous highs right here. I mean previous lows right here at 104. We came to 114. So we still staying above the 100% move, which is 81, but we still staying above previous one. So this one it was a trap, it was a fake out that made people think we about to fall, which we did, but for a long term. Like people could have thought this was the top for a long term and could have got years out. Right? And boom, so we still held 100% above 100% move. Came up, right? Came up to this level. Another retracement down. Mind you, we still did not break. We still did not break this high, right? So we came up to this level. Boom, made another higher low. And look at this. We broke right here on last Monday, or 2 Mondays ago. And then we came down, and now it look like we about to break out again. So this one I like Airbnb, and I think next time we actually break out, right? Because it's looking like to me that it just filled this gap. So both of these times did not fill that gap. And like if you just look at it real closely, we're gonna delete this line. If you just look at it real closely, right? Watch this. Watch this. It just filled that gap. All right, we're gonna draw a line right here at that low. Boom. 150, 154. That's not 150, 154. This is 151, 12 or 18, 8. That's not 150, 154. If you think that's the same, then I don't know what to say. Right? This is definitely not 150, 154. This is 150. So both of these times we did not come and fill that gap. We failed to fill that gap. And this time we came and filled the gap right here. We filled the gap, then we came down and dropped, and now we're basically retracing from that drop to build up momentum to break through this. So I think that we can definitely break through this if we don't get rejected. Just watch out for this level. Um, but this looking like a good run. And our next level I have, let's see, because I think that we'll make a new high, of course, and break through this. Where is it? Break through this 150. Let's say 155. Break through that 155 level. I think we good to go. Do we got any gaps? Is that a gap or is that a doge right there? That's a doge. Sometimes you can't see. All right, let's see. My fault. I gotta look again. I had a high moment. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what I was looking at. 150. All right, 155. All right, so above 155 because I think because the only reason why I think that we'll pass that because especially we have good earnings and we already hit this, so we already showed that we about to break through. Like we showing signs that we want to break through this because we already broke through it and then we came down and we holding. It's not like we came down and start falling. We came down and holding, still making higher lows. So since that's the case, I think that we can build the momentum to break right through that and past that. So that's why I need to get my next level above this. I'm not worried about this little thing right here. I'm worried about the next level above it because we showing signs, right? So it's at 155. So let me just draw a line somewhere over here so I can see to the left. Somewhere over there, 155. All right, above there. Let's go to the monthly. What's good? What's up? All right, we can break above there. It's 155 to 150. I'm gonna say 163 to 165. Look like, yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say that. So I'm gonna take these. This, you already know how I get down. We're gonna take all these candles and try to get everything touching to one. Yes, 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 yes. That's 172. How the fuck I get there? I said 163. All right. Boom. Boom. To like boom. Right. So I tried to get, it's a little, maybe I'll go down to some other time frame and see. But I got this candle wick, this candle wick. I got this green candle high. I'll try to get this candle closed, this little green candle closed. Then this wick candle low, then this green candle low, and then this red candle the open close right here. And then this red candle open, okay? And then this red candle high right there. Try to get a little bit of everything. Try to get a little bit of everything. Go down to the weekly just to see, or the daily, no matter. So above 155, 160 to 167. So let's just see. Look at that. Look at that. That was the last retest too. I like that. Look at this. Once we start falling, this is the last retest. We came right up to 160, 163.21. Boom. That's our next level. We came right up to there to 163.21, and we just straight fell. So we trying to recover. So we trying to look at it like this, y'all. We trying to recover from that 163 drop that we never came back to. We trying to recover from that. So I got 163 next above 155. And above 163, 170. Or 167, sorry. I like this. I like this. Look at that. That's the last retest. It ran, boop, 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 boop. Came down, retested this 160 levels, which is the bottom of our zone, and just took off. Even right here, we straight fell where we fall to, right to the bottom of our zone. Came up, made the lower high, and boom, fell. All right, so I like this low area, especially that low 163 level. So that's what I have for Airbnb. We can break about that 155, 163 is the first one, then 167, and then 172 above that. But that's what I have for Airbnb. So watch out for the downside activity. I'm not saying I'm playing this. I'm not saying enter calls. I'm not saying enter puts. I'm just saying what I like. All right, I'm not financial advice or anything like that. So, but I do like out of all the earnings plays I did look at for this week. So far only looked at 3. But so far I like Crocs out of all of them. I like Crocs out of Airbnb. I like Crocs out of Lyft. I like Crocs out of all of them, and I like Lyft too because of the potential. And it's a small stock, so that could even be an opportunity for shares. Because it is a small play, and you have a lot of gaps at like $20 and more than that, right? So I do like Lyft, but I like Crocs the most out of all of them. What's good? What's good? Top of the top, fam. Let's get it. Drop that one. Let's go. Drop some stocks below. K, what's good? K, let's get it. Intel, Google, Crocs makes boots. Oh, Crocs makes boots now? Really? I gotta Google this real quick. Y'all made me pull out my phone. Crocs boots. Oh, you talking about them yellow boots? That's Crocs. Hold on, y'all. I gotta show y'all this. I gotta show y'all this real quick. How can I share my screen? Let's see. How can I share a screen that's not my trading view? Let's see real quick, y'all. Y'all about to see me real quick, y'all. I'm ugly real quick. Hey, fam. I know you're not talking about them yellow Crocs. I know you're not talking about them yellow Crocs. Hold on. Them yellow Crocs. Hold on. Them Jones really is Crocs? Yo, yes, they is. Yo, they made by Crocs. Yo, I was thinking about getting some of them Jones, the yellow Jones, the red boots, the black ones. It's like, nah, I ain't getting them things. Yo, Crocs really made them. I swear it was a different company that did that to do an experiment or something, but nope. Yo, that's really Crocs. It's a men's yellow boots. Crocs. No, that's a whole different one. That's like a rain boot. No way. Ew. Ew, what the heck? Look like a Yeezy mixed with a Crocs. I don't know, but yeah, man, that's crazy. That's crazy. I didn't put two and two together right there. That's definitely that logo, isn't it? Isn't that Crocs logo? Yeah, that's a good one. Shit, that's another reason right there. Crocs about to take off for this man. Look at yo, that's crazy. All right, enough of Crocs, enough of me. Y'all looking at me. Oh, let me turn my camera off. Cause why is my camera on? All right, back to the markets, man. I'm done with y'all. I'm done with y'all with these yellow Crocs. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, I like Crocs the most, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Like, they really did make them yellow boots. When they do that, because I feel like that's been around for a minute, like a year now, and they had a couple earnings since. They had to. This earnings they did bad, fell. This earnings don't look like they did anything. Yeah, that's crazy though. All right, but we looking at Crocs, y'all. Crocs definitely on the list. All right, someone let's see some stocks y'all got. All right, you put MU, Zoom, Intel. All right, I'm gonna pick one from you so we can get to the next person. I think ZM is Zoom. I believe ZM is Zoom. So we can look at zoomity zoom. Zoomity zooming. Go to the 12 month. I just had 61.8 out of nowhere. Yo, how I got one fib up just saying 61.8? Yo, there's no way. Oh, I was about to say, where's the rest of my fibs? Yo, I was about to say, how is that possible? Damn. This thing. All right, let's go to the 1 month at least. Damn, let's go to the 1 week. Damn, I can't get nothing. I don't know. This look like trying to build up accumulation. Definitely, but I gotta look up. I gotta look up. I gotta see because why this thing just been falling ever since. Like it got IPO 2019. It did its thing, ran for a year. Then for 4 years straight, it just been falling. So like, what's up with this thing? People give up on Zoom, or is this a type of stock? Is just we just an accumulation fees, and we about to build a momentum and run. We got a gap right here. This could be an opportunity because this really could be an accumulation fees. And look at this right here, where we dropped and it fell to be an inverted head and shoulders. Damn, how many people lost money, yo? Like, yo, you know how many people would have thought this was an inverted head and shoulders? The head, the left shoulder, the right shoulder. We about to run. We about to run. Psych. And now this could be built up for the next run. Could be. We got any other gaps up here? Is that a gap right there? We gotta hide that EMAs real quick. That's another gap right here. 280. Damn, it's a gap at 280 to 275. Oh my, what? Oh my goodness, another gap at 340 to two. What? What? Man, this thing got some opportunities. It's only at $65. You telling me it's at $65 and they got a gap over here at $340? Now so you telling me if I buy one share for $65, my son, my youngest son is 2. He'll be 3 on February 19th. So he's 2. So if I put one stock in there for $65, by term he turned 5. And if it's still not filled, I could add more in. And yo, this can be that's how you gotta think about it. Like, yo, this can be some opportunities. I like Zoom though. I can't really say too much about the chart side just because it's look like, hold on, I gotta turn my emails back on. Look dry. But it looked like it's in this accumulation phase and we're trading sideways, as you can see. We got a lower high, we got the lower low, we got the lower low from the lower high. We came up, we got this little bear flag right here, you can say. Right? Boom, boom. Then we created a bear flag. Then we broke out the bear flag. Right? Boom. Made a new low. And now it's coming back up. So it looked like a big ass I'm not gonna lie, it looked like accumulation. So this thing could be really accumulation, especially with it trading sideways, confirming that. But I really have it a zone from 75 to 59. So just to be safe, I don't really trade zone, but just to be safe, I'm not sure. Like I'm not sure how it moves, but above 75. But for this week, as I zoom in, I see that we have a gap right here at 66 to 67. Right. So this is what I'm gonna say. Below this gap puts, above this gap calls. Okay. Wait, hold on. Wasn't it Gary during the daily? Why is it? Oh, because pre-market. Let me extend the hours off real quick. Regular turn hours. There we go. All right. Yeah. So above this gap call, below this gap puts, and as you can see, we hit this gap. And how did we react? All right. So if we react and come down and drop, let's see this candle right here. Let's see this candle bigger on the 4-hour. Let's see this candle bigger on the daily. Let's see this candle bigger on the weekly. Let's see this candle bigger on the daily. I like the 4-hour. I'll take the daily. I'll take the daily candle. All right. So I got my calculator out. Let me get my calculator real quick. The high I have is 66.50. Wait, what? The high is 66 and the low is 64. So that all this room just for $2. All right, the low is 64.01 equals so 65.25, 65.25. Coordinates. So this is what I have for 50%. So if we came up through this gap and got rejected, which it looked like it is, and I'll say the safe entry below the 65, which is 50%, this big ass green candle, as you can see on the 4-hour. We go to the 1-hour chart below the 65. This is 50%. This green candle. Well, of this candle, it will be probably like 38.2%. But of this candle and this high, this is 50%. So safe entry is below 65 if we continue to hold below. But if we come down and hold 50% and make a higher low, I think this thing's about to freaking run. This thing could be setting up for opportunity. So like this. And we can come down and make the first lower high. Right? And then we can come up and run. Because this is basically how I look at this. This how I look at this. It's just testing the waters. That's all we doing. All we doing is testing the waters right there. We came to the zone, we testing the waters. Now we're gonna see how we react, which we drop. So we're gonna see how we hold. Will we make a lower low and come down, wipe out this low 63? I doubt it. I think we'll make a higher low. So watch out for that higher low because the higher low can be an opportunity for calls to the upside. That's what I have for Zoom. Let's go. Let's look at Google. All right, Google. I have for. Make sure y'all stick around to the end, man. So y'all can. I got something for y'all. Make sure you stick around. All right, Google. I have. I'm gonna try not to spend too much time on these stocks. This thing like is about to run. To this gap right here. We have a gap right here at 153. All right. Why everything it's like filling gaps and at the gaps, but Google looking good. All right, so Google looking good to come fill the gap at 152.85. Right, and if we lose below this candle's low from Friday, so let's go over to the 1 hour chart. 147. So 147 to 152. Below 147, more downside activity, but this thing looking like it come down. It can come through this gap. I don't really like to chase gaps. My whole thing is like, how do it react after it fill the gap? Like once it fill this gap on 152, will it continue to push higher, or when it fill this gap, will fall? That's my biggest thing. How will it react to the gap? And if you trade like this and use my like everything I teach y'all and show y'all is literally off my own experience. Like it's literally off my own experience. I talk besides like the basic support resistance, uh MACD, VWAP, TTM squeeze, volume, all that. I literally the way how I trade every day from Monday to Friday. I taught myself literally everything, especially with my method, my 20 method, my 21 method, my EMA method. I literally taught myself literally, right? So everything I'm telling y'all just off of my experience and what how I trade, how I believe it. And if you just back test what I say, right? Like don't feel that like. All right, look at this little gap for example. I ain't gonna do a talk. I'm just give you an example. Y'all see this little gap right here? So this is what I mean. Wait till it fill the gap and then see how it reacts, right? And like, look at this. We didn't fill it, but look at this. We came all the way to the gap fill, held above it. So I'm not going to chase it to say, oh, I'm gonna wait for it to fill. No, I'm gonna wait till it to hit or fill to see how it reacts after. So if I was chasing this gap, I would have lost. I would have got my head cracked for chasing this gap because it never filled. But you can see how it react though, right? So that's off of experience because I lost money. I lost money chasing the gap, and I don't want anyone to lose money. So, I ain't gonna ever say like, yo, chase the gap, y'all. But 152, let's go to the daily. I ain't gonna I don't want to spend too much time on this, but this thing look like it's about to get another push up. I'm not gonna lie, this thing like it's about to get another push up. So 152 above that we can make all time highs, but for Google, I believe, because we did that damn split. I missed Google before it did the split. I'm not gonna lie. I stopped trading because it did that split, and it wasn't moving the same. All right, I ain't gonna spend too much time on Google. Outside for Google. Hopefully, Airbnb earnings is Tuesday even. Yes, yes, yes. What's up? Wall Street been black in the building. Let's get it. Wall Street been black. Listen, y'all, if y'all not gonna be in Memphis and catch us live, we're gonna be live trading in Memphis. All right, so make sure y'all are there. You the type to buy a Tesla monster truck? I don't know. I watch too many movies to be getting trapped in the car that I can't control. I don't know, fam. We gotta talk because I don't know. I'm big on my life, man. I like to have control. Probably just popular. Let's look at DKNG. DraftKings, yes sir. Great stock, y'all. Yes sir. We're gonna be live trading and teaching y'all. Let's get it. But no, I don't need that Tesla tuck, man. I don't need that. Cause like, yo, I don't know if you remember Fast and Furious, but it was like Fast 7 or Fast 8. and it was like, yo, the government is making all the cars just drive out the parking lot to get like Hobbs and Tyrese Gibson and all them. Like they was literally driving all the cars out the parking lot. Yo, this is my charts from when I first started trading, y'all. Like this is my. Oops, I don't want to change nothing. Every time I find a stock like this that I hold on, let me push undo. Every time I find a stock like this from like when I first started trading, I try to keep it exactly how it was because this is my work. This is art right here. This is like my practice methods to, you know, from back then. This is like what I was doing, and y'all can see. I ain't gonna lie, y'all can see, y'all. I've been using the same fibs for 4 fucking years straight. Yes, sir. I never changed my fibs. Never ever in my life. All right, so we came up here to my fib 61.8, which is the green zone. Y'all can't really see it right here, but y'all can see it right here. Right. I will delete this little one. So we came to this big one and we came there, got rejected, hit our take profit level 30, hit our second take profit level 18, right? Held above that, held above 18, held above 31. What is this? This 0%. So that's where I put it to. So long as we hold above 0%, which is 40. So I'm just gonna draw a line at 40, which is already there, right? It's gonna draw a line at 40. As long as we can hold 40. This thing like is about to run. I have 38.2. And this is just an old fit I did years ago. I'm keeping this. I'm keeping the same levels too. I'm gonna draw a line right there, 53. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. We're just 61.8, 61. I'm not gonna cap to y'all, yo. Yo, where is this yellow trail line coming from? I don't know. I don't like that. I'll delete that one though. All right, so we got Uber or DraftKings, right? It's looking like we already broke out the 40 level. I'm not gonna lie. I think I did look at this, yo, on the weekly. I think is this stock like inverted head and shoulders? No, it's not it. I found a stock and I can't find it now. But look at this, y'all. All right, so we made a double bottom down here at 11. Damn, this shit fell $11. Yo, what's up? All these stocks falling. We came down to 11. Then we came all the way to 34. We retraced to our 20. Then came up, made we got rejected. So people thought we was gonna fall big time, and we didn't. We still had a 100% move. That's I be shy. I be trying to teach y'all something with the 100% moves. Had a 100% move. Still calls. So we got the breakout of this. So we got the breakout of this we got the breakout right here from this breakout. We ran and we came down and retest this breakout. So this is, y'all see how we came down and retest this green candle, which was the green candle of this breakout. And y'all see this green candle right here, which is the breakout. So I'm going to draw, right? I'm going to get this little, cause this is how you find your pullback area. So this would be like considered like a pullback area, right? If we're going to hold above to like, it happens all the time. And this is a stock I don't trade. And just look at the weekly, right? Look at every breakout, y'all. I know I talk too much. I like to give too many examples and stuff, but that's how I am. All right. Make sure y'all like. It's 25 people in here, and I got 17 likes. Something ain't right. All right, but look right here. Y'all see this green candle right here that broke out? Literally, we just boom broke out. We just engulfed these candles to the left, right? What we do? We broke out, ran to 20, then we retraced, right? We retraced, still holding this green candle, and then boom, got another breakout, right? So literally, we got a breakout, and we retested this green candle breakout before our next breakout. Then we ran, and then look, we got another green candle right here. This green candle engulfed all these weeks right here. We ran, and we came back and tested this green candle. We did break it a little bit right here, which is fine, right? Then we made that first lower high. Then we came down, got a nice breakout this green candle. You see this green candle? I bet you'll come back and retest it. Look at that. Came back and retested. So now our next green candle to retest is this green candle right here. This is the green candle that started it up. This is the biggest green candle explosive for this breakout right here. So when we do come retest, I have my retrace level right here at 30, 37 to 39. This is my retrace level. Okay. So that's what I have. So long as we can hold above, I think DraftKings is about to run to 53. Let me just confirm that there's no like gaps. That's like, and sometimes you gotta go to some other time frames to look for gaps, like the 4 hour, the daily, the 1 hour. I told you I got a surprise for y'all, so this probably be the last one I do, or I might do one more. But I got a surprise for y'all, and I know y'all here to the end for my surprise. Y'all probably like, damn, what are you gonna teach me tonight? What are you gonna teach me? What are you gonna teach me? We got a little gap right here. A little gap at 59.35 to 58.97. That ain't nothing too crazy, but I don't see anything that's stopping us from running. So I like it at 53. Hopefully you see calls too, but I like this thing to run. I just got my retrace level. Oh, we got a little gap right here. Ooh. Which don't phase, don't affect nothing, y'all. Don't affect nothing. Don't affect nothing. I still like calls. I like calls, especially we can continue to hold above this zone right here. With the lowest level is 37, the highest level is 39, so we can even come down and retest the top of this and continue to run. But for DraftKings, I like calls on this. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this, but I definitely like calls. Okay. All right. Now, I need everybody to drop a one, man. Y'all ready to learn? I got something for y'all. I'll be there. Super excited to meet y'all. Let's go. Hold above which level? I missed it. This level right here. This level that I think it's good to go to 53, but this is a level right here at 39 to 37. This 37 and 39 level. This little zone right here that we got from the monthly. But when we holding above it, so now just wait for the retest. Okay. Just wait for the retest right here. Wait for the retest. All right, I gotta. And if you're not already in, all right, drop a one if y'all ready to learn this method. I'm about to show y'all something. And I'm gonna give you an extra play. The extra play for one, we're gonna start off with the extra play. Then I'm gonna show you my little secret, one of my little secrets. The extra play is Tesla, and I'm gonna show you why I like Tesla for calls. Right? It's not yet though. Not yet. I think Tesla's gonna run to 200, and we gonna get a little drop. Right? So here's one of my little sauce. All right. So y'all see how literally, right? Y'all see how let's just zoom over here. And this happens a lot. Here's one of my gems too. This happens a lot when you see bullish divergence. Y'all see how we made this bullish divergence? Y'all do your own due diligence, but here's one of my sauces right here. And y'all see how we made this bullish divergence right here on Tesla? And y'all can do this on the daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, the 4 hour. It's not gonna happen 100% of times, but you will see a lot of times. Okay. So we got to the bullish diversion, and then we came up, and then we retraced and made the higher low, we made the first higher low, and then we ran, right? So when you see a lot of the bullish divergence, a lot of bullish divergence end up to be inverted head and shoulders, right? This is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder. A lot of bullish divergence, such as the bullish divergence right here, tends to be inverted head and shoulders. Okay, that's a gem, right? So I'm waiting for Tesla to we got another bullish divergence. I'm waiting for it to go ahead and run 200 or wherever I want to run to and get rejected. The first rejection that we get, I'm looking to enter calls of this higher low. So I want to enter calls of the next higher low, and I'm expecting it to make a head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders. So that's the left shoulder. This would be the head. So I'm waiting for that right inverted head and shoulder. Hopefully somewhere over here. Once it do, I'm liking calls. And I'm gonna try to get calls to ride at 215 plus, hopefully up here to 243, 245. Actually 263. 263 next level. 263. Okay, so I will be liking calls. I'm looking to try to get in calls for like at least 2 years out. I'm at least try to hold it, but I will be keeping you updated on this as well. But that's the reason why I like calls. And we got the bullish divergence. So a lot of times you see bullish divergence, you'll see the run, and then you'll see the retest happen quickly. So I'm waiting for the retest to happen off of this run so I can enter, get a nice good setup for Tesla. All right. So that is the extra play I got for y'all. That's the extra play. Now, here goes one of my methods that I use. Okay. So do your own due diligence. Don't take anything, you know, just period life. You don't take, take shit, just don't take something that someone says are wrong with it. Always do your own due diligence. I believe all methods, all strategy works. It's just the person behind it that's implementing it. Okay, everything works. So let me see if I can find y'all an example because I didn't set up for y'all anything. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see if I can find something. Uh, I do want to show you one of my methods though. Hold on. Let's go to Spy. I'm trying to find y'all a good example real quick. All right. I'm gonna say it once or twice, then y'all gotta replay it on your own. So make sure you're listening. I'm gonna remove my chart. So if you use the 8 EMA, right, or the 9 EMA, don't care, it don't matter. If you use the 20 EMA or 21 EMA, don't care, don't matter. Same shit, right? I use the 21, I use the 8. You can use the 9 and the 20. I don't give a fuck. Oh, sorry, I'm cursing too much. I definitely curse too much. I'm trying not to, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. But I ain't perfect. So the 4 hour chart. So you'll see how my red line is my 8, my green is my 21. Okay. So you see how my red line is my 8 on the and remember this is the 4 hour chart, the bigger time frame, the 4 hour chart. So you see how we holding this 8 right here on a 4 hour chart, which is the bigger time frame, right? You see all this time we holding the 4 hour, the 8 right here. So anytime we hold the 8 on a bigger time frame, that's telling us that we're holding that we should have already retraced to our 20 or 21. So every time we hit this 8 right here, there should be all 21 touches on a smaller time frame. That's how you can enter calls and play this thing. So the 4 hour chart, look at this. This is from Friday, February 2nd, February 5th, February 6th, February 6th, right? And then such and so on. So all the way from February 2nd, we've been holding the 8 EMA on the 4 hour. So let's go to the 1 hour chart and see if it's the 21. So from February 2nd, remember, February 2nd. So February 2nd, we got the 21 cross right here. Then February 5th was the next one. February 5th, we had the 21. February 6th, look at all this. Look at all this. So we had the 21 on the 1 hour chart, but on the 4 hour chart, we already retraced to the 8. If it don't make sense, here go another one, right? Now we got the 1 hour chart, right? You'll see how we just holding the 8 right here from February 7th, February 8th, February 9th. You'll see how we just holding the 8 EMA on the 1 hour. So that means on a smaller time frame, we should have already retraced to the 21. So this should be the 21 EMA on the smaller time frame. So if it's holding the 21 EMA on a smaller time frame, holding 8 on the bigger time frame, that's how you know the momentum is going to continue, right? So the 30 minutes, we still holding the 8 and the 21. So let's go into a smaller time frame, maybe the 15. Okay, the 15. Look at this. So this is the 8 on the 1 hour, right? Look at this, y'all. February 7th, February 8th. And look at this, February 9th. Y'all see this is 21. We finally hit our 21 on the 15-minute chart, right? But on the 1 hour, what's that, y'all? The 8. So we're holding the 8 EMA on the 1 hour, right? On the bigger time frame, but on the smaller time frame, we already retraced to our 21. But so we already holding. Remember, 21. If y'all don't know how to use 21, yes, 21 moving average or 20 moving average, whatever. 21s is for retracements. I don't care what you say. 20, 21, 20 is for retracement. I don't care what you say. But we already retraced to our retracement level. So since we retraced to our retracement level and we holding a smaller EMA level on a bigger time frame, what that mean? We're gonna continue to run. So hopefully that makes sense. If not, y'all can replay it. DM me, ask me questions. I have a free Telegram chat where I'm live every Sunday on YouTube, which y'all here with me. But I'm gonna pin it real quick for y'all. I got a free Telegram chat, and also I will be live every Friday on YouTube for live day trading. So I'm gonna keep the momentum going. So we gonna keep going live every Friday on YouTube, every Friday on live day trading. So make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, turn notifications on. Hopefully this method, hopefully it helps someone like, oh shoot, I didn't notice that. I don't know. This is the method I use. This has helped me to determine that we're going to continue momentum and we're going to continue the trend, right? So make sure y'all tap in. I'm live Monday through Friday. Let's get it, man. I'll see everyone tomorrow. For people that's in my Discord, I'll see y'all tomorrow every day this week at 9 o'clock. Y'all have a good rest of y'all night, man. Let's get it. Man, we ain't like that. Comment below, man. Talk to me. Y'all messing with the method? Talk to me, man. Y'all ain't y'all messing with the method. Y'all messing with the method. Talk to me, man. Let me get some comments below. Did y'all get it? Was it too fast? Like, was it? Are you a beginner and you didn't understand it? Like, it's like a momentum thing. Okay, that's why I said do your due diligence. I'm gonna say it once or twice. Y'all can rewatch a YouTube video and replay it. But it's like a momentum. That's how you can like continue to ride the momentum on bigger time frames. I'm literally showing you like so like talk to me like it was amazing common sense move. Let's get it. It's hot. So like literally y'all literally and guess what? I'm gonna keep it being with y'all. Tough salt. I said tough salt. Self talk. I said tough salt. Self taught, yo. This is literally self taught, yo. Like everything how I treat besides like support resistance and like I'm not gonna lie, taste what he put me down to the basics. Everything he taught me I do not use besides support resistance. I don't use none of his EMEs. Everything I use today is how it's literally self-taught. And it's just me looking at the market, just putting in time over time and just studying at the charts. I literally study charts, study patterns, and just figure out like, okay, why do this do this? Why do this do that? Why do this do that? Like I literally find stuff. And like, yo, I'm not gonna lie. I created a whole 21 method. I mean, I thought I created a 21 method. And then the candlestick Japanese Bible book, the one that's pinned in my Telegram, right? Someone and I never finished that book. I skimmed through. I never finished the book. And one of my students was like, yo, did you know like it don't say your 21 method. It just say like EMEs. And they was like, yo, the pages right here explain your 21 method. I was like, holy shit, this is crazy. Like, you know what I'm saying? So like everything that I be saying and be teaching myself, it winds up coming to like, all right, there's actually something behind it. Like, oh shoot. You know what I'm saying? So like everything's self-taught. So make sure you do your own due diligence. I don't want to steer no one the wrong way. I'm just showing y'all what works for best for me and my methods and you know how I trade, man. I ain't gonna keep y'all here too long. Love this show 821 a different perspective. So it's for 1 hour and over. So it's for 1 hour and under. I enjoyed the live chart and appreciate it. You did rush through it. It's all good. You rewatch it. So it's for 1 hour and so whoever. But like you said, everything works. Yes. Like I said, everything works. It's just the person behind it that's applying it. Everything works. I'm not knocking anything. All right. But whoever asks, so is it for 1 hour under? Rewatch the video. I literally just started on the 4-hour chart. So if I started on the 4-hour chart, I don't think it's 1 hour under if I start on the 4-hour chart. It's really just do your due diligence and see which time frame that if you can see it on. If you can see it on 5 minute, the 1 minute, the 1 minute and the 30 seconds, the 1 hour and the 30 minute, the 4 hour and the 1 hour, the weekly and the daily, the monthly and the weekly. Just do your due diligence and see what works best for you. But I'm out, fam. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all night, man. Let's get it.